Are you struggling to manage your money or wondering where to start with financial planning? You're not alone. So many people feel lost when it comes to their finances. And it's no surprise. No one really teaches you this stuff in school. But the good news is, it's never too late to take control of your money and start building a solid financial future. In this video, I'm going to break down financial planning into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. We'll cover everything from setting financial goals and creating a budget to paying off debt, investing wisely, and even boosting your income. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to achieve your financial dreams, whether it's buying your dream home, retiring early, or just feeling financially secure. So if you're ready to master your money and start building the future you deserve, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Living paycheck to paycheck is stressful. You're constantly worried about bills, unexpected expenses pop up, and it feels like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle. Before I started managing my finances, I was living paycheck to paycheck even while making six figures. It wasn't until I started planning and budgeting that things really changed for me. The truth is, most people find themselves in this situation simply because they don't have a financial plan. Without a plan, it's like driving with your eyes closed. You have no idea where you're going and you're bound to crash. Financial planning gives you that much-needed roadmap, helping you track your income, control your spending, and make sure your money is working hard for you, not against you. Think of it this way. Financial planning is like building a house. You need a solid foundation, a clear vision of what you want to build, and a plan to get there. When you have a financial plan, you're no longer just surviving. You're thriving. You can finally start saving for the things that matter most to you, whether it's that dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or a comfortable retirement. You'll be prepared for unexpected expenses, and you can say goodbye to those sleepless nights worrying about money. Financial planning also helps you build a safety net, so you're not caught off guard by life's curveballs. So, let's ditch the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building a brighter financial future together. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of budgeting and investing, let's talk about your why. What are your financial goals? What do you want to achieve with your money? Managing your finances can sometimes feel like a chore, but when you have a clear vision of what you're working towards, it becomes so much more motivating. Think about it. Are you dreaming of buying your first home? Maybe you want to travel the world, start your own business, or retire early and live life on your own terms. Whatever your goals are, write them down. Seriously, get a piece of paper, open up a note on your phone, and write down everything you want to achieve financially. Don't be afraid to dream big here. Want to buy a Tesla and drive it across the country? Write it down. Want to retire at 40 and live off passive income? Put it on the list. The more specific you are with your goals, the better. Instead of just writing buy a house, specify the type of house you want, the location, and even the estimated price range. Now, here's the key. Set deadlines for each goal. Short-term goals could be anything you want to achieve in the next year or two, like paying off a credit card, building an emergency fund, or saving for a down payment on a car. Mid-term goals might be 3 to 5 years out, like buying a house or investing in a rental property. And long-term goals are those big, hairy, audacious goals that you want to achieve in 10, 20, or even 30 years, like retiring early or becoming financially independent. By setting deadlines, you're creating a sense of urgency and accountability. It's no longer just a vague idea in the back of your mind. It's a concrete target that you're actively working towards. Let's talk budgeting. I know it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's the foundation of a solid financial plan. Let me introduce you to a simple yet effective budgeting method, the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. Needs are essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities. Wants are non-essentials like dining out and entertainment. Savings and investments set you up for long-term success. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to simplify tracking. Budgeting is about making conscious decisions and aligning spending with your goals. Building your financial safety net. Why an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Life is unpredictable. Just when you think everything's going smoothly, bam! An unexpected expense hits you out of nowhere. Your car breaks down, you have a medical emergency, you lose your job. These things happen, and they can wreak havoc on your finances if you're not prepared. That's where your emergency fund comes in. It's your financial safety net, your peace of mind in a world of uncertainty. It's that money you set aside specifically for those unexpected events, so you don't have to go into debt or derail your financial goals when life throws you a curveball. So, how much should you have in your emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Now, I know that might sound like a lot, especially when you're just starting out, but trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Start small. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, every little bit counts. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund each month so you're consistently building it up without even thinking about it. Here's a pro tip. Keep your emergency fund separate from your everyday checking account. This will help you avoid dipping into it for non-emergency expenses. Look for a high-yield savings account that offers a decent interest rate, so your money can grow a little bit while it's sitting there. Think of your emergency fund as your financial security blanket. It's there to provide a cushion, to give you peace of mind, and to help you weather any storm. Breaking free from debt. Strategies to crush it and reclaim your finances. Let's talk about debt, that dreaded 4-letter word that can feel like a huge weight on your shoulders. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, car loans, or personal loans, debt can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to control your life. The first step to tackling debt is to acknowledge it and create a plan to pay it off strategically. There are 2 popular methods for debt repayment, the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method. This method focuses on paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. The idea is to gain momentum and motivation as you start crossing debts off your list. The avalanche method. This method prioritizes paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first, regardless of the balance. The logic here is that you'll save more money on interest charges in the long run. Which method is right for you? It depends on your personality and financial situation. If you're motivated by quick wins and need that extra push to stay on track, the snowball method might be a good fit. If you're more analytical and want to minimize interest payments, the avalanche method might be the way to go. Whichever method you choose, the key is to be consistent with your payments and stay disciplined. Consider cutting back on unnecessary expenses, finding ways to increase your income, or even negotiating lower interest rates with your creditors. Remember, getting out of debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress along the way, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. There are resources available, like credit counseling agencies, that can provide guidance and support. Investing for beginners. Make your money work for you and grow your wealth. Let's talk about investing. Investing can sound intimidating, but it's a powerful tool for building wealth. Put your money to work for you. Instead of sitting in a savings account, it can grow in the financial markets. Start with beginner-friendly options like index funds, which are low-cost and diversified. Real estate is another popular option, offering potential appreciation and rental income. Don't forget retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs for tax advantages. Start early, stay consistent, and let compound interest work for you. Investing is a journey. Be patient and stay the course. Boost your earning potential. Side hustles, skills, and strategies for higher income. Increasing your income can significantly accelerate your progress towards your goals. There are plenty of ways to boost your earning potential without drastic changes. The gig economy offers countless side hustle opportunities. Whether it's writing, photography, or dog walking, there's a side hustle for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit connect freelancers with clients. Investing in courses and certifications can enhance your skills and marketability. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary or ask for a raise. Thanks to the internet, starting a business is easier than ever. Take action today and start boosting your earning potential. Outroad, take control of your finances. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Let's quickly recap. Set clear financial goals. Follow a budget using the 50/30/20 rule. Build an emergency fund, pay off debt quickly, start investing early, and look for ways to increase your income. Your next step? Pick one tip from this video and start today. Remember, financial planning isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing journey. It's about making conscious choices with your money, building healthy financial habits, and staying committed to your goals. I'm confident that by implementing the strategies we've discussed today, you can take control of your finances, achieve your financial dreams, and live a more fulfilling life.